You'll often find yourself needing to add data to an array, and that can easily be done with the JavaScript push method. So first, let me show you what I have over here. In this, I have a variable called newsletter, and so far I have two names in my newsletter. And I have a new variable that just says newAddition, and here's my email, dragos@gmail.com. And what I'd like to do is actually add this value to my array. So as I mentioned, all we actually need to do is use the push function. First, we'll start with the name of our variable, name of our array, which is newsLetterList, and then I'll do dot and then push. And then in there, it's going to ask me what value I want to push in there. Well, I want to push the newAddition variable, and I'll do it like that and save it, and we could verify that this new value actually got added to our list by doing the alert function and spitting out the newsletter values. So using this code, I'll go back to my browser, and there you go. I have all three of those values set up. Of course, we could verify that this is actually happening by adding this alert newsletter here first before we actually use the push method, and we should see it in action. There you go. The first time it just has the two emails, but once it hits the second time, it'll actually add that via the push method. And in this example, I was kind of considering an email list where people could just sign up for your weekly newsletter, and potentially this newAddition variable would be defined by whatever the user inputs into the form box.